it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Workers, give me with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we're here with Mavado. Yeah, man, the goalie got himself, man. Yes. With new name for Informer, Mr. Palmer, up on the Drumline Riddim. So that one has been requested very highly in the comment section. So that's why we're here with it. So, Mavado, Mr. Palmer, new name for Informer, Mr. Palmer, 𝐻𝐈𝐻𝐍 Cartel this. This was when the war was about to get really hot. This was when the war was about to get really hot. At this time, it was warming up. You see me? And then it get really hot. So let's jump in the one and see what I go on. Let's go. Let's go. Ready?
I just want to make the people know what I go on. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Because you want, I don't have time to chase none of song, you know. No song about a competition, you know. Make no sense. Because you want, no. I never competition we use and set our thing around. Some boy bad man, but yo, I just the last one this thing. Oh, I mean them at end. Anyway. So anything you want to say. Picture. Coming out the time for answer. Anyway. Informer them. Cause you're a pump on the battlefield, you're a pussy. You're an informer. New name for Informer, Mr. Palmer. Got me for me 𝐻𝐈𝐻𝐍, so me sing the psalms that chop with me armor. Clip longer than banana. Boy, come past the corner, gunshot ring in your ears like llama. Everybody asks, what cost the 𝐻𝐈𝐻? Me and Busy Rise and buy 2 𝐻𝐈𝐻. Bad mind, I saw boy 2 can I 5 sang with 3, I try to take my eye. Me not have no time for war with him. Roach, catch him a bow and stop par with him. And I cut up and scare with him. Cause I'm a piece. What about the panther? The boy 2 conniving. Him go check sing-a-bling hiding. The whole port more avoiding. For him par with the fish that me man a riding. I killer tell me no shotting. But I see him where the boy did bad man assassin. Swagger Benz and the casting. The boy bleach and peach and look frosty. Madness him not ready for. Same bad and beat up shorty furniture. I want it the half-fail and skirmitter. 50 caliber searching for man, a real bad man. Chatty my chat, run them, put more to my yap. Mama wipe up, blood with map in a map. I made it, devil reject me, put chop in a chop. Adisha, the teacher, bleach out like Latisha. Gun rise like the Eiffel and send boy deeper. Meanwhile, me a rise, them career get cheaper. Gun rise like sunrise, eliminate the timekeeper. Start war and come give a fucking life up. Dead with the sucker, kick your lawyer wife up. Call me name but for fame and stripe up. Inna the school bus them so pussy my bite up. But me strap with the key with the light up. Copper in a face see a boy who ya bright up.
Blood clot! Pull up! What on the man? We couldn't go too far. Make we stop it here now and break down with the GSP. Let's go.
But just want the people know what I go on.
Intro.
Yeah, man. Because you want, I don't have time to chase none of song, you know. No song. And about a competition, you know. Make no sense.
So I'm going to tell you, say, yo, in another time for you to do this with your brother. My career grow. Some other time for you to do that war thing with you. Luckily, he know that this war would boost his career even much more than what he think.
Because you want, no. I never competition we use and set our thing around. Some boy bad man, but yo, I just the last one this thing. Oh.
I never competition we use and set our thing around, but some boy bad mind. And that's the last one this. That's what he thought it was the last one. Could never be. Could never be.
I mean them at end. Anyway. Say anything you want to say. Picture. Coming out the time for answer.
Yeah man, say anything you want to say after this. I have no time for answer. Father, answer. Cartel Flintstone, goalie, answer. Yo, the motor shot the flinger bangs.
Anyway, Informer them. Cartel, you're a punk on the battlefield, you're a pussy. You're an informer.
I said, Cartel, you're a punk on the battlefield, you're Informer, brother. You're a pussy. Real pussy. That's what my brother say, not me.
New name for Informer, Mr. Palmer. Got me for me 𝐻𝐈𝐻𝐍, so me sing the psalms that
New name for Informer, Mr. Palmer. Grudge me for me 𝐻𝐈𝐻𝐍, so me sing the psalm. them time the Vada drive wa X5. Busy did have a X5 same time too. Remember Alliance around the time, my brother. Alliance around the ground.
Stop with me, my clip longer than banana. Boy, come past the corner, gunshot ring in your ears like llama.
Strap with me arm a clip longer than banana. Boy, come cross the border, gunshot singing in your ears like llama. Oh my God! Binds.
Nana, boy, come past the corner, gunshot ring in your ears like llama. Everybody asks, what cost the X5? Me and Busy Rise and buy 2 X5.
So him said that's why Cartel vex. What cost the X5? Because him and Busy Rise and buy 2 X5. Remember, me just tell you say him and Busy did have 2 X5 for real.
Bad mind, and some boy 2 can knife. 5 song me do 3, I try to take my eye.
Bad mind and some boy 2 connive in. 5 song me do because them a try. 5 song me do through him a try to take my hype. So him a say yo a 5 collab them do together. Because Vado because Cartel a try to take him hype. Remember say and Gully got bust with then the real McCoy. So him tell us say a 5 song after that. Him and Cartel do, Cartel a try to take him hype.
2 X5, bad mind, and some boy 2 can knife. 5 song me do 3, I try to take my eye. Me not have no time for war with him. Roach, catch him a bow and stop par with him.
Bumbo clap. Me not have no time for war with him, you know. Me not have no time for war with him. You know why? Roach catch him a bow, R.I.P. Roach. Roach catch him a bow and stop par with him. Roach stop par with him.
Jamaica's worst gamer.
I not cut up and scare with him, cause I'm a piece. What about the panther
Yeah.
The boy 2 can knife him. Him go check sing-a-bling-a hiding.
Yeah, man, nobody no want they run the teacher, nobody no want see him them time. Him might go check sing-a-bling-a hiding. Big up yourself, sing-a-bling-a. Sing-a-bling-a hiding. You see me, sing-a-bling-a no want see him. That's what the G said, that me.
What put more avoid him? For him power with the fish that me man a riding. A killer tell me no shot him. But I see him where the boy did bad man assassin.
From him power with the fish. From him power with the fish. Which fish? Him not talk at this time. At this time, you know, say, Beanie and Bunty no goods. Them time, your Cartel, start power with, Beanie as well. So, I think, don't quote me here, but I think this part here is shading, Beanie man right here, so.
Man a riding. A killer tell me no. The whole port more avoid him. For him power with the fish that me man a riding. A killer tell me no shot him. But I see him where the boy did bad man assassin.
Yeah, man, a killer beg me no shot him, you know. A killer beg me say don't put no buy time, you know. Yeah, man, a killer beg me, man. You see me? Yeah, I see him so the boy did bad man assassin. That's why him run go war with assassin. And I me say that. Goliga just said, listen again, and me.
Sing-a-bling-a hiding. The whole port more avoid him. For him power with the fish that me man a riding.
Yeah.
A killer tell me no shot him. But I see him where the boy did bad man assassin.
Yeah.
Swagger Benz and the casting. The boy bleach and peach and look frosting.
The boy bleach and peach and look frosting. And then the Cartel fully bleach out. And then they hear the ad libs in the background. They must say, I can't tell you no. I can't tell slang that. I can't tell you no. So he used back the slang one Cartel. This one. Listen again.
With the fish that me man a riding. A killer tell me no shot him. But I see him where the boy did bad man assassin. Swagger Benz and the casting. The boy bleach and peach and look frosting. Badness him not ready for. Same bad and beat up shorty furniture. I want to take the half-alien skirmitter.
Badness them not ready for. Badness him not ready for. Same bad, but guess what him beat up? Shorty furniture. Big up yourself, Shorty. Shorty furniture. You're a girl bad man, brother. You're not a real bad man. You're not calling that man a real bad man. Bust fiberglass and blue steel bad man. That him refer back to. Listen. Let me sound there. Sound.
Furniture. I want to take the half boy did bad man assassin. Swagger Benz and the casting. The boy bleach and peach and look frosting. Badness him not ready for. Same bad and beat up shorty furniture. I want to take the half-alien skirmitter. The head back, 50 caliber, I'm searching for.
I will take the half-alien skirmitter. Blood clot. Yeah, words.
Man a real bad man. Chat him a chat.
Yeah, hear that? Man a real bad man. Bust fiberglass and blue. I chat him a chat. I think that's song that on the mad instrument ready. Man a real bad man. Bust fiberglass and blue steel bad man. Beat up your girl, you a lady bad man. Yeah.
50 caliber searching for. Man a real bad man. Chat him a chat. Run left. Put more to yap my yap. Mama wipe up plug with map in a map.
Yeah, man, him run left foot more. Ka yap in my yap. Mama wipe up blood with mapping and that. That's how the G I said, not me. Lyrics.
Adija, the teacher, bleach out like Latisha, gun rise like the Eiffel and send boy deeper.
Adija, the teacher, bleach out like Latisha, bleach out like gal. You see me, him have a gal profile. That's how we go like that. Said, not me. You see me, gun rise like the Eiffel Tower in France. Gun rise like the Eiffel, send boy deep. Fine.
Meanwhile, me arise, them career get cheaper. Gun rise like sunrise, living near the timekeeper. Start war and come give a fucking life up. Dead with the sucker, kick your wife up.
Just start war and come give your fucking knife up. Guess what? You go dead with your suck-cocky girl where your wife up. So the two no go dead. The suck-cocky girl where your wife up. You know who? Boy, two no go dead. That's how the G said, not me. Fine.
Start war and come give a fucking life up. Dead with the sucker, kick your wife up. Come in here, but for fame and stripe up. Inna the school bus, them say pussy my bite up.
Inna the school bus, them say pussy my bite up. School girl, don't fuck inna the school bus. Don't get feel up inna the school bus. You know, man, I can't tell the song there. So that him say, sir, right, so that him refer it back to the school. Listen.
I go your wife up. Come in here, but for fame and stripe up. Inna the school bus, them say pussy my bite up. But me strap with the key with the light up. Copper in a face, ya boy, how you bright up. Same way one brother did a hype up. Put it in a gut, bust him chipe up. Along.
Bullet. Yo, me have flow today now. Me have flow, but guess what? I'm still there. I put in the work.
Time we not trust him. If I kill him, busy, make we go fuss him.
Yeah, someone says, oh, a long time we not trust him, you know. Even though he was a part of us, we never trust him. So if I kill him, Billy, busy, make we go fuss him. Make we go fuss him and kill him before him try off away. That's how the GSA writers are, not me.
Jamaica's worst game.
Bust him chipe up. A long time we not trust him. If I kill him, busy, make we go fuss him. Kill a love me, make me crush him. Me a real bad man, me not too giant the cussing.
Kill him, I wanna beg it out, man. Love me, make me crush him, kill him, make me crush him.
Well, a straight gun bust him. Blood gushing. To the doctor, them rushing. Before doctor fish touch him. Guns out right away. Chase cars rushing.
You hear him say? Him just call being a doctor fish. That so the statement that I clarified earlier on about fronting power with the fish, that means man I'd beat him in that talk. So he must say, yo, I see him Dr. Fish touch him.
To them rushing, before Dr. Fish touch him. Yeah. Guns out right away, chase cars rushing. The same witch in the kitchen. I see it's not the same as steel and chicken. I must let them use chicken. Make him sell out the dan trim, damn belly licking.
Him sell out the dan because him licky. Him love sweets, him love likes. That's what the G say. Jesus Christ.
Make the dog them beat him. Cause the gun where the boy beam up did stick him. What's the boy don't be flicking?
The gun where the boy beam up did stick him. Cartel have a song. I want one of these songs from Mavado. He must say, okay, but after that with him. The AK beam up, the SNG that song there. I know, sir. I know the song when me talking. I know the song when me talking. No one go like the song, but after that with him, I know it. I go react to the after that rhythm also with them too, yeah. Yeah. So I see him
Dog them beat him. Cause the gun where the boy beam up did sticking.
Yeah, the gun where the boy beam up did sticking. What the song name again? What the song name after that rhythm? Steven, make up yourself. The AK beam up, shot me up. We can't remember the words. Let's go.
What's the boy don't be flicking? Yeah. Let's rise up the evil and evil and be new name fin farmer, Mr. Palmer. Got me for me X5, so me sing the songs that chop with me armor, clip longer than banana. Boy, come pass it on, a gunshot ring in your ears like llama. New name fin farmer, Mr. Palmer. Got me for me X5, so me sing the songs that chop with me armor, clip longer than banana.
Yeah, man, Drumline Riddim,
come pass the corner, gunshot ring in your ears like llama.
Fucker. Yeah, man. So no ask feet, see it there, no ask feet, do not kill the comment section with that one. We are going to react to the cartel one now. Look out for the cartel one. We are going to react to it right away as we speak. You see me? So you look out for that one there. Yes, that was Mavado, new name for Informer, Mr. Palmer, Drumline Riddim. Let's jump in the next one. But Yeah, I'll catch you over there, sir. Let's go over there. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.